Good morning, Ma'am and Sir. I have a nice day. My name is Lucila Di Paula, 40 years old. I'm married. I am college level. I have 4 children, 2 sons, 18 years old and 8 years old, and 2 daughters, 12 years old and 13 years old. Before, I have worked in United Arab Emirates as domestic helper. My duties and responsibilities there is to taking care of the children, 1 year old and 2 years old. To my employer, I hope you give me a chance to work as domestic helper in your family. Ma'am, I am responsible, trustworthy, patient, vigilant, and hardworking person. I promise I do my very best to do my duties and very well. I promise to taking care of your family, especially if you have kids. I promise to finish my 2 years contract. Ma'am, see you in Hong Kong. Thank you. God bless.